Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Molly and today we are going to create this beautiful orange moment with the help of Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. So I am really excited. Well, are you? So firstly, let's prep up our face and do a little bit of base makeup before we start that madness. So firstly, I'm gonna use this PAC Zero Pore Primer. It's a very nice moisturizing primer, although I don't like the texture of the primer. But moving on to the foundation. For foundation, today I have picked up this PAC foundation. It's a very nice medium coverage semi dewy finish foundation, not supremely matte or not supremely dewy. I have given a full in-depth review of this product. If you want to check that one out, I will leave a link for you guys in the description box. After that, I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty concealer. Absolutely love this, guys. Just give this one a try. So affordable and so full coverage concealer. I am just applying the concealer underneath my eyes and wherever I need a little bit of color correction. Today I need a little bit of color correction, and after that I'm blending it with the same beauty blender that I have used to blend my foundation. To stop the foundation and concealer from creasing, I'm gonna use this Stay Quirky translucent powder. It just, stops your creasing, so I love this one. I'm just placing it underneath my eyes and wherever I need to stop the creasing. A little bit on the forehead, little bit on the mouth area. And for bronzer, I'm gonna use the MAC bronzer in the shade Matte Bronze. I am applying it little bit on the hairline and little bit on the hollows of the cheeks as well, and also on the sides of my nose. Now let's move on to the main focus of our video, which has to be this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. It has beautiful 9 colors. It has one shimmery shade and all the matte shades, and it is in the shade 04. Firstly, I'm gonna take this beautiful orange shade with the help of a fluffy blending brush. Not too fluffy, not too dense. It's a very nice semi-fluffy blending brush. I'm just placing the color close to the crease line. I'm just firstly patting it, then I'm blending it. After that, I have taken a clean brush and I have taken this light orange shade and I'm just placing the color just above wherever I have placed the deeper orange, and also a little bit on the outer side of my eyelid. I'm just blending the color so that there is no harsh line is present. Okay, after that I'm taking this beautiful brown shade with the help of a very dense pencil brush. I'm just placing the color on the border of my crease, extending the outer corner and also placing it on the outer 1/3 of my eyelid. After that, I'm just mixing these two shades to make it more deeper, and I'm just placing it on the lower lash line with the help of a pencil brush. After that, we have only this shimmer color into this palette, so I'm just taking this for my inner portion of my eyelid and also on the 1/3 of lower lash line and also little bit on the inner corner. To prep up my lashes for the falsies, I am using the Faces Canada Ultime Pro mascara and I am taking the PAC M75 lashes. I am applying it and yeah, it's done. For blush, I have taken Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush Palette. I have taken a lot of Swiss Beauty products in this video, but yeah, I am mixing these 3 colors just randomly to make a little bit peachy undertone color, and I'm just placing it on the apple of the cheeks, a little bit on the temple as well. For highlighter, this is my absolutely favorite highlighter. I am taking this Revolution Pro highlighter and I'm just placing it on the apple of the cheeks, little bit on the bridge of the nose, brow bone, cupid's bow. To set the base into place, I'm gonna use the color bar fixing spray and spritzing it all over on my face. For lipstick, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Rouge Signature lipstick. I'm gonna place the lipstick firstly from the inner side of my lips, so with time when it's coming outside it will fade away. And yeah, with that we are done with our today's look. I am absolutely in love with my eye look and I'm absolutely in love with the palette as well. It didn't give me any hard time while blending it, and it's so good, so pigmented. It just glides into the eyes without any eye primer, so I love it. And if you loved this look, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell icon, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful. Bye.